In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ninja Forms in WordPress. Beginner's Guide. We'll walk through the core actions you'll see in the guide and make sure you understand what each one does so you can build and publish a form with confidence. First, open the Ninja Forms guide and choose the tutorial titled How to Use Ninja Forms in WordPress. Beginner's Guide. This keeps us on the same page, literally, as we move through the process together. Head into the section called Create Your First Form. This takes you to the Ninja Forms area in your WordPress dashboard, where all your forms live. From here, you can start fresh or use a template, give your form a clear name so you can find it later, and review the default fields. Even small naming tweaks now will save you time when you're managing multiple forms. Next, open Configure Form Settings. This is where you control how the form behaves after a submission. You'll find options like the success message or redirect, and most importantly, email notifications. Email notifications determine who gets alerted when someone submits the form. Set the recipient address carefully, use a subject line that makes submissions easy to spot, and consider a confirmation email to the person who filled out the form. If emails don't arrive, check spam or your site's mail settings. When your form looks good, go to Add the form to a page or post. Option 1 is the Gutenberg block. Edit the page or post where you want the form to appear, add the Ninja Forms block, and select your form from the list. This is the easiest option if you're using the block editor. Option 2 is using shortcodes. In the Ninja Forms dashboard, find your form and note its shortcode. Place that shortcode in your page, post, or classic editor content wherever you want the form to render. You can also place forms in your site's layout by going to Appearance/Widgets. Add a text or Ninja Forms widget to your sidebar or footer and select your form. This is great for contact or sign-up forms that should be visible across multiple pages. Before you go live, test your form. Visit the page, fill it out, and click Submit. Confirm the success message shows, verify the notification email arrives, and check the entry inside the Ninja Forms dashboard. Finally, explore add-ons and integrations if you need more power. Payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe let you accept payments or donations directly through your form, and other integrations can connect with your marketing tools. That's it. Simple, clean, and ready to use.